right. Hello, everyone. Hi, my name is Doc Chelle. Thank you for coming to Dr. Test Prep. Basically, our focus right now is helping you to be the best that you can be on the PSAT and SAT math portion of your test. Right now, we're actually not going to go over any problems. I just want to talk about page 87 of my book, which is the formula sheet. If you don't have my book, still watch the video. It's important that you understand the formula sheet. So, as you know, my book right here, okay, it's $14.95 on Amazon. A lot of the Amazon books are way, way, way more expensive. But my focus of my book is to teach you how to use the Desmos calculator. So if you watch my 4 pillars video, you know that you need to have a College Board account, that you've downloaded the Bluebook app, that you've linked College Board to Khan Academy, and then from Khan Academy, it will create a personalized program for you saying, you really understand these topics, so they're purple, or you really need help with these topics, so they're orange. Khan Academy is fantastic. What Khan Academy lacks is what our YouTube channel that you and I are making together, because you're going to participate in the comments and help each other out, is teaching you how to use the Desmos calculator. So this next section, which is Unit 5 in Khan Academy, is all on geometry and trigonometry. And the formula sheet that the College Board gives you, and I took this right from the collegeboard.org site, is all related to geometry, and trigonometry. So I'm going to read the top of my book. The College Board provides a formula sheet for reference. Below is a picture of the formulas you'll be provided. Use the formulas to help you with our problems. One hint is once you identify the formula you need, type it into Desmos with all the variables. Then you can use the information from the question to replace the variables and solve the problem. To help you become more familiar with the formulas, I increased the number of fill-ins in this section. Don't worry, we got this together. So we look at the formulas. We have the formula for a circle for both the area and the circumference. We're going to use both of those a lot more in Unit 9 because of arc length. Just a standard rectangle, which remember can also be a square and is also the formula for a parallelogram area, is length times width. The formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now, next to that are 3 that deal kind of with trigonometry. So we just talked about 2-dimensional shapes. Now we've got the trigonometry ones. The first one, which is the first trigonometry formula, which is the 4th shape, is the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. More in Unit 9, we'll look at special right triangles and look at relationships when we have 30, 60 degrees or 45, 45. So when you take the test, if you see a question where they give you the angle measures, you're going to want to use it. Then on the next row are all the formulas dealing with volume. So we've got a prism formula, a rectangular prism, a cylinder, a sphere, a cone, and a pyramid. Now, the last part also helps you when we get more into the unit circle problems, which are the number degrees in the arc of a circle is 360. That's a fancy way of saying there's 360 degrees in a circle. The number of radians of an arc is equal to 2 pi. So it's saying 2 pi equals 360. So pi equals 180. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, especially if you haven't had geometry yet, like if you're studying for the PSAT, watch my videos. I'm really going to teach you how you can use the calculator to help you with that. And the sum of the measures in an angle, I know how to speak English. The sum of the measures in degrees of the angles of a triangle is 180. And notice I do want to talk about radians and degrees. The default function, at least on the Desmos practice calculator for the College Board, is radians. When we start getting into trigonometry, we're going to have to change that to degrees. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start going through our videos, our pages. So I'm going to end this video, and in the next video, which will be called SAT 5.1, we're going to talk about area and volume. And these are going to actually start off relatively basic. I intentionally did not put the formulas just to get you in the habit of going and looking up the formulas. Let's be real. All right. This is Doc Chelle. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.